Neurointervention article. Title is Damage to Polymer Coatings on Microguidewire Tips Through Shaping and J-Wiring for Optimizing Flow Diverter Deployment, a Scanning Electron Microscopy Study. Achieving adequate wall apposition is a crucial technical goal when deploying flow diverters to treat wide-neck cerebral aneurysms. The so-called J-wiring technique is a common method used to optimize flow diverter wall apposition. However, the frictional interaction between the shaping device and the microguidewire tip during the formation of the J-loop, as well as the interaction between the J-loop and the flow diverter during J-wiring, may potentially cause damage to the guidewire's coating. 3 frequently used guidewires were tested in vitro in a silicone aneurysm model. Manual J-shaping of guidewire tips, along with the J-wiring technique, caused damage to the surface coating of guidewires, as observed by scanning electron microscopy. Therefore, both mechanisms may contribute to the generation of polymer microfragments in patients treated with flow diversion. Thank you for watching Neurointervention article.